Hello guys, welcome back to our
channel.
Welcome back to our
channel.
Guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are our subscriber, you are welcome. Guess what we are eating today? Today we are eating fries with sausage, salad, ketchup, and mayonnaise. This is what we are about to eat. So before we eat, let us pray. Thank you, Almighty Lord, for this food. Blessing your watching. In Jesus' mighty name, we pray. Amen. So guys, you are invited. Come and join us and let's eat these delicious fries together.
You are invited, guys.
I'm using my hands. I don't know. When I'm eating fries, I feel like using my hands to dip in. Have a bite of this sausage. We are doing video. We are recording.
So,
Sit well and let's record.
I'm sitting well.
Yeah, it's so delicious. You are weighing me down. Remove your hands. Remove your hands. Your hands is heavy.
My handful
It's heavy.
is heavy. So,
Don't put it on my neck. Do you want to kill me?
I
What
can't
is
put my
this?
hand on it.
I'm not saying your hands is heavy. Wow. Yes, baby. You know that we are recording. Eat your food. I have mine. What is that?
I'm kissing you. Let's move your paper out. I'm pushing the head out this. Hey!
I'm not pushing my head. The way you're doing, I don't understand. Yeah, it's very doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense that I put my hand on the shoulder.
You are not like that, so I know you are joking.
If I say that doesn't make sense.
Putting your hand on me whilst you are eating, recording.
Doesn't make sense.
It makes sense though. You are being romantic, right? The way I'm enjoying my food there. He's doing that. No. Lucas, why am I calling you Lucas? Baby, you are breaking my neck.
Lucas, why are you calling Lucas?
You are breaking my neck.
Why?
See what you are doing. How can I eat? Oh.
Am I holding your hands?
You are breaking my neck. Will you drink?
I'm not drinking.
You will not drink. You want me to allow you to break my neck? Guy, can you imagine? He will not drink because I say he should not put his hand on my neck. Can you imagine? Oh. No. I'm almost done. You are there playing. No. No. Remove your... Baby, remove my neck. You are breaking my neck. You know what? Should I stop eating?
Oh, you can eat.
How can I eat? You are pushing me.
I'm not pushing you. Oh.
You are pushing me. You are recording. What kind of life is this now?
Okay.
Yeah, see what you are doing again.
Baby, why?
Why?
If I put my head on you, say no. I do anything, no. Why?
I'm not saying don't put your head on me, guys. I'm not saying you should. We are doing videos, so you shouldn't be doing this in front of camera.
So what?
I'm not saying it's something. You get what I'm trying to do?
Is bad.
I'm not saying it's bad.
My mom making something with you. I'm doing something with you.
I'm not saying you're doing something with me. I'm not angry, so why are you angry? Will you eat some of the sausage? Will you eat?
Eat.
I don't feel like eating. I've lost appetite. I don't know why. Why are you looking at my face like that? Baby, it's true. I've lost appetite. I'm not, guys, I'm not that feeling well. I don't know how to put it. I'm not feeling well at all. But it's not that I'm sick or something, but I'm not, sometimes you are in the mood to eat too much. Sometimes even today, I wanted to eat fufu, but my mood, like my eating habits switch. I feel like I want to eat potatoes. I feel like I want to eat potatoes with fries. Like I say potato with fries, the same thing. Fries with sausage, and then now I'm in front of the fries and I can't even consume all. Can you imagine? Guys, I'm looking cute. Don't you see? Baby, you are breaking my neck. Oh.
Why?
My neck is paining me because your hands is heavy.
I put my hand, you are complaining.
Put.
Hey, that's how you are.
Put. When we finish, you massage me. You put.
Massage who?
You won't massage me upon all the heavy, your heavy. see your hands.
Don't touch me.
I'm not saying don't put. My nose is even itching me. I'm not saying don't put your hands on my neck.
I can't massage you. I'm telling the truth.
You are saying this in front of camera that you can't massage me. Maybe don't do this to me, yo. Nico.
No, don't touch me.
Hey.
I'm saying the truth.
Okay, if you massage me, it's okay. Guys, you are all witness. He says
you will not. Want to say it.
Okay.
He's just pranking you. Just prank.
Now, if you are pranking me, what have I said?
So
what did I do wrong? I say your hands is heavy, so please let.
My hand is heavy.
Your hands is heavy. My neck is paining me. You know I'm not feeling well.
Who do you want me to go and put my head or my hands?
You are not understanding what I'm trying to say. I'm not saying go and put your hands. So I say your hands is heavy.
Only prank, guys. Only prank will say how she's react.
Seriously.
Your hands. Am I a macho man?
I don't want to laugh, but you're making me laugh. I'm not saying you are a macho man, but you have heavy hands. Your hands is heavy. So when you put it here, it weighs me, my neck. You know my neck is paining me. So why are you doing this?
Not paining. I don't do anything. If your neck is not paining you.
Yeah,
so just a prank. Eh?
But what have I done wrong now? Guys, have I done something wrong? Please drop your comment.
The one you're going to say, me to him and for the one, even I'm tired of. I'm tired. For me, I want to rest. If I lose it,
I'm not saying
what my wife.
Jesus is Lord. I'm not saying what you are doing is wrong. I'm saying don't put your hands on my. You can do anything, but don't put your hands, because when you put your hands here, it weighs me and I feel pain on my. I'm not feeling well.
Don't you know you are not caring?
I'm not what caring. Hey baby. Guys, look at me. What do you think about me? Do you think I'm not caring? Drop your comment. Do you think I'm gonna be a caring woman or I'm not gonna be a caring woman? Please drop your comments. I am romantic, caring. How I care for this man. I don't know why he's saying this in front of camera. What I didn't do anything wrong. Did I do something wrong? So why are you doing this?
What's the show? Camera makes you are caring.
Oh God, guys, my leg. Oh my gosh. I'm not saying anything. He just wants me to be talking. Oh no, my.
No more.
I have some in the plate.
Eat for food. From that man.
See this man, he's my kuchu.
Don't talk me.
Baby, I love you from the bottom of my heart.
What is the bottom of your heart?
I love you from
What's the bottom of your heart?
I will never lie. Oh baby, say Jennifer.
I'm not saying anything. If you love me, remove your head, remove your hand.
Baby, this is not a matter of love. You were weighing me down. Guys, do you remember that song? Nico. It's a movie. I love it.
End your video and go and sleep. When I'm going to sleep.
You two, what kind of life is that? You are putting your hands on me, and I say that, baby, you are weighing me. So what have I done wrong now? I'm looking at you. What have I done wrong? Stop that. It's not fine. It's not fine. So guys, yeah. I couldn't eat because, as I told you, I'm not feeling fine. And he's just making me sad. I don't do anything. So guys, yeah, this is where we're gonna be ending today's video. End it.
You have said it now. Tell me how to end it.
Oh my God. This marriage, this relationship is the best, guys.
This marriage.
Yeah. This our relationship, our marriage is the best. I wish I have a referee in my house. My neck. You see? My neck is even paining me.
Don't lie.
So guys, this is where we're gonna be ending today's video. So if you haven't subscribed to this lovely family, make sure to what?
Subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah, share to all your social media. Did I say social? Social media platforms.
Is it social or social?
I was chichis. I'm chichis myself. Social media platform, our Facebook, our Instagram, our TikTok at Jenny's World everywhere, and follow Poppy on Instagram at Akwesimensa19. And yeah, leave us a message. Follow us on Jenny's World because I'm doing a lot of updates on my Instagram stories, and you want to know what is happening in this family. So please follow us. It's really important. So what should I say again? I forgot what I'm about to say. So guys, thank you so much. Too much of talking. Lately I've been forgetting things. So guys, let's go straight to the point. So see you on our next upload.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.